all the stars above my head. The warning signs travel far. I drink instead on my own. Oh, how I've known the battle scars and worn-out beds. Gentle now, tender breeze blows and whispers through a grand Torino, whistling another tired song. Engines hum and bitter dreams grow, a heart locked in a grand Torino. It beats a lonely rhythm all night long. These streets are roads, they shine with the things I've known, and breaks through the trees. They are sparkling. Your world is nothing more than all the tiny things you've left behind. So relight all the stars above my head. The warning signs travel far. I drink instead on my own. How I've known the better scars and worn-out beds. Gentle now, a tender breeze blows and whispers through a grand Torino, whistling another tired song. Engines hum and bitter dreams grow, a heart locked in a grand Torino. It beats a lonely rhythm all night long. It beats a lonely